Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How about yourself?
I'm pretty good. Thanks for asking.
Can you help me buy my books?
First, you need to have the list of books for your class.
Do you have that?
Yes, I have my list.
Fine. We can go to the bookstore. Do you know where that is?
Yes, I know where the bookstore is.
Do you know? You can also sell your used books.
Really? How can I do that?
Take your books with you and give them to the salesman. They will pay it. Are you going today?
I think I could be there.
I am free at 12 o'clock. If you need some help, you can call me.
That would be great. We can go together.
Okay, have a good day.
Thanks for watching.